This is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host on SNN.Network, and we're a proud media sponsor for the upcoming Precious Metal Summit Beaver Creek, which is being held virtually this year. And joining me right now is Luis Marchese. He is the CEO of Sierra Metals. It's a publicly traded company. I got a few symbols for you. SMT on the TSX, SMT on the Lima Stock Exchange, and SMTS on the NYSE American. Luis, thank you for joining me today. How you doing?
Hey, thank you, Robert. Morning.
Good morning.
Lima.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning from Lima and from Los Angeles. The beauty of technology. Here we go. So Luis, to get us started here, can we get a quick overview and history of Sierra Metals, and then we'll go from there.
Okay. Well, Sierra started in 2006, and it started with properties in Mexico, a small plant, 400 tons in Chihuahua. And from there, it kept developing its assets in Mexico, and then it bought into Peru in Yauricocha. So now we have these three assets, which are the Yauricocha Mine here in Peru, Bolivar in Mexico, and Cusi in Mexico. So we've gone from 400 tons per day of throughput to over 9,000 now. So it's been a steady growing company, and we are delivering on what the strategy has been over the years.
And what would you say makes the company unique and different compared to some of your peers out there?
Actually, it's quite unique because we are in well-established mining jurisdictions, both in Peru and Mexico. We have operating mines, which are quite strong on their resources. We have quite a large tonnage of resources in the three of them. And they are cash positive. We are a cash positive company. And the growth has been internally funded over time. The other thing is that we are in an exciting mix of metals. 40% of our revenue comes from copper, which is, sort of the metal of the future. We have 20% on silver, which has been actually the metal that has been having the highest growth in its price in this year. We have 10% in gold and 20% in silver, 10% in lead. So we have a nice mix of metals, which I think makes us a very prospective company for the future.
And what's your background? I mean, how'd you get your start and then being all the way up into becoming CEO of Sierra Metals?
Well, I'm a mining engineer by training, and I did also a master's in mineral economics. So and from there, I worked in different countries. I worked for Anglo American many years, in Peru and Chile and Canada. I worked in operations, I worked in projects. I've had some exposures to the mining associations. I was president of the Mining Association of Peru for a couple of years, up to a year and a half ago. So my background is fairly mixed. I think it fits very well with Sierra, because Sierra, we have operations, we have projects, we have just been approved some expansion studies for the three mines. And we are in different metals, which I'm used to work in diversified producers. So I'm very excited to be heading this company. It fits very well with my profile, and I think we're going to do great things here.
And then from what you can tell us, what would you say are some of the company's value catalysts now, the rest of this year going into 2021?
Well, last year, the expansion of the mines finished, so we are now ramping up to full production at the three. Bolivar is going to 5,000. Actually, Yauricocha, we are requesting a permit to increase our production by 20%, and Cusi to 1,200. So we are in the process now of getting full value of our assets. But at the same time, we realize that we have quite a large resource base, so we can still grow further and add value to our assets. So as I said, we've just the board just approved some expansion studies, and we're going to seek further value from this growth. So and there is one important thing about Sierra, which is that we are in established mining jurisdictions. As we know, every time it's more difficult to get mines going in new jurisdictions. So just by being in a place where you have the right geological space and you're already established, it's a great value for the future, and that's where we are.
And with that, Luis, where can my audience go and find everything they need to know and to follow along with Sierra Metals?
Well, we have a very comprehensive website. It's www.sierrametals.com. So please go there and you'll find all the information that you require. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I wish you the best of luck. Stay safe. And I look forward to our next update.
Okay. Thank you, Robert.
Thank you. Again, my name is Robert Kraft. I'm your host on SNN.Network. We're a proud media sponsor for the upcoming Precious Metal Summit Beaver Creek, being held virtually this year. Joining me again has been Luis Marchese from Sierra Metals. He'll be there doing a presentation. And thank you for listening today.